Welcome to Video Corner. Today we're making a classic South African braai, a flavorful barbecue that's perfect for friends and family. I'll guide you step by step to get that perfect smoky taste every time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more amazing recipes. Show like, subscribe, share buttons on screen. Step 1. Preparing the fire. Start by preparing your fire. Use either charcoal or wood for an authentic flavor. Arrange the charcoal into a pyramid shape and light it with natural firelighters. Let the fire burn until the coals are glowing red with a thin layer of gray ash on top. This usually takes about 20-25 minutes. This is the perfect heat for cooking your braai evenly. While the fire's working its magic, let's prep the meat. Beef steaks, Boerewors sausage lamb chops. Take your meat out of the fridge about 30 minutes before cooking. Room temperature is key for even grilling. Season generously with salt and pepper. For extra flavor, rub with a bit of olive oil, crushed garlic, fresh rosemary. Now it's time to cook. Spread the coals evenly, but leave a cooler spot on one side of the grill. That way you can control the heat. Start with the thickest cuts, steaks, chops, right over the hottest part. For steak, grill about 4 minutes per side for medium rare, but keep an eye on it. You want those gorgeous grill marks. Boerewors goes on next. Cook it whole, turning every couple of minutes. It should take about 10-12 minutes. Look for a nice brown color, but don't let it dry out. If you're adding chicken, keep it over the cooler side and let it cook through slowly. Safety first. While the meat's sizzling, throw some sliced onions, sliced peppers, or even corn on the grill for a bit of veg. Brush them with olive oil and season well. Once everything's cooked, let the meat rest for a few minutes. This keeps it juicy. Slice up your steak, serve up the Boerewors, and pile everything onto a big platter. Don't forget some classic sides, potato salad, fresh bread, and maybe a cold beer. That's it. The ultimate South African braai, step by step. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Buttons are right there. Don't miss out on more awesome cooking tips. Thanks for watching and happy braying.